Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to redeem a Google Play gift card from a different country. So first thing first, head over to your Play Store and then select your initial. From here, go for settings and in here select purchase. In here select payment and subscription. As you do that, you will see redeem code selected. Now in here, you may go ahead, type in the code and select scan gift card. But if you are trying to do it from a different country, if you would like to use VPN, it might be possible, but the thing is Google Play location is locked to the country that you have set previously. And if you can change it, you may go ahead change it to the gift card country, and then you will be able to redeem it. If not, you're going to have to use VPN, which I do not recommend, but that is the only way that you can scan the gift card from a foreign country. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching.